Mental health in construction, changing culture. Here are some pictures of the lovely working party. This is Barnaby, who did all our graphic design for the conference, produced a brilliant imagery. We did lots of promotion, BBC Somerset Sound, got interviewed by the local mayor, Bridgwater College, some of their construction employees did some great little videos for us. We put up loads of posters, we stuffed envelopes, and finally the day arrived. I started the conference and opened it with some clear messages, really trying to get a buy-in from the audience. This is Martyn, Coyd and Bill Hill, our two main speakers who spoke about the construction industry and about the Building Mental Health programme. We had an audience of 100, which I was so pleased with. The audience were very mixed, very positive, and at the end, they had even joined in a flash mob choir, which was amazing. It was important for me that the conference gave people an experience around mental health. They didn't just come and listen to speakers. I actually wanted them to really engage with what was happening in the space and to go away feeling really enthused. Our sponsors were incredible. They all turned up. We had people wanting to sponsor us for next year, which was really great. And I was so pleased that people went away with lots and lots of tools and techniques. We also had community groups come and join us, community groups providing mental health, and of course our own stand, the New Leaf Life Design. We're hoping that this conference will really inspire people to go above and beyond, to give them an opportunity to think about mental health, not just mental health in the workplace, but something much bigger. When you bring people together, you can create huge change, and that's what we're going to need to really make this work. The final picture here today is of everyone who's signed the Building Mental Health Charter, who really have made a pledge. Thank you.